nurses and nursing students, welcome to Tosin Health, and this video is a step-by-step guidance on how to get into nursing school. So if you're thinking of becoming a nurse or in the process of getting into nursing school and it feels confusing and you think you're alone, that's a lie, you're not alone. Many students feel overwhelmed trying to figure out the next steps, the prerequisites, the entrance exam, the application requirements. Well, in this video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to understand and get into nursing school and how to prepare yourself for success. Hi everyone, my name is Tosin and I am an ICU nurse. I also mentor pre-nursing and nursing students who are navigating their journey into healthcare. Over the years, I have seen many students struggle simply because they did not have a clear guidance on what steps to take early on. So today, I am going to break it down to you in a very simple way so you know what to focus on. I was in this step, I was in this process. I used to be you, so this is my way of paying back and showing you how to do it better. Step 1, complete your prerequisites. The first step towards getting into nursing school is completing your prerequisite. Most of the nursing school require you to take anatomy and physiology, microbiology, chemistry, sometimes even statistics or nutrition. This depends on the school you're going to. And these courses are very important, so it's important to pay close attention towards your GPA. If you're currently taking these classes, focus on really understanding the concept rather than just trying to pass the exam. A strong foundation in these courses can very much help you in your nursing school. So this is something I want you to pay close attention to. Step number 2, nursing school can be very competitive depending on the school you go to. Because of that, your GPA plays a very big role towards your journey in nursing. So your science classes that we mentioned, such as A&P, microbiology, all of them are very important. You need to make a high grade on them. If you have to retake the classes, please retake the classes. This strengthens your GPA and makes it better. They take out the old one, put the new one in. And step number 3, I want you to prepare for your entrance exam. It's usually the TEAS or the SC. It's important for you to do very good in this exam, and this exam tests your knowledge in math, in reading, in science, in English, depending on which of the exams you take. So you need to prepare very well for this exam. Take practice style questions, get familiar with the format. Consistent practice is very effective in trying to pass this exam. And number 4, I want you to build a strong application. A strong application beyond your grades, beyond your exams, beyond your, everything you have to offer academically. You need to show them you are the right candidate for this. Some programs require essays, recommendation letters, volunteer experiences. This is opportunity to explain your motivation. Show who you are out of your classes. Show who you are as a person. So taking your time to thoughtfully prepare your application can make a meaningful difference towards your application as a nurse. And number 5, I want you to apply strategically. One mistake many students make is applying to just one school, especially if you started with the freshman guarantee. So I want you to know, apply to as much schools as you can, apply strategically. This increases your chances of being accepted. It gives you more options. You need to track your deadlines and also the application requirements for all the schools. And this will be a better way of getting into the perfect nursing school for you. The process of getting into the nursing school may feel overwhelming at times, but remember, thousands of students successfully navigate this journey every year. With preparation, persistence, the right support, you can achieve whatever you set your mind to. If you're a nursing student preparing for nursing school and you would like a personalized guidance through the process, I do offer mentorship where we can talk through your goals, your prerequisites, your application, strategy, and if you're interested, the link is in my bio, or you can click the link below to have access to my mentorship. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you the very best in your nursing journey.